Hello everyone, this is Tuana from LlamaIndex, and today I'm going to walk you through an example of how you can build UIs based on your extraction agents that you build in LlamaExtract, that you can have Cursor or any other coding assistant build for you. And at the end of the day, we're going to see how you can end up building a UI that looks a bit like this. This is our invoice extraction agent where you can upload an invoice, get some results based off of the invoice content, etc. But let's look at how this was built and let's build our own UI. But instead of having to build our own UI in Streamlit completely from scratch ourselves, we'll be using a very cleverly constructed prompt and some sample code to allow Cursor to build that Streamlit application for us. So let's have a look. In this repository, you'll notice that there's some sample data, some sample schemas even, that allow you to create your own extraction agent with just the create agent script, as well as a prompt. And this prompt is for Cursor and it's explaining to Cursor what exactly we want the UI to have, what it should expect. For example, there should be some support for PDF files, Word documents, etc. So the users should be able to drag and drop files in there. We also give some more instructions as to what kind of features we want in our UI and so on. And we also provide some extra context, as in what files Cursor can have a look at to see how the code even operates in the first place. So let's start and let's try out first creating our very own extraction agent. First thing, here you can see all of the extraction agents I already have in my Llama Cloud project. So first I'm going to create a new one. So I can run the script Python create agent, and then I will get some information that an agent was created. And here we have it. I have a brand new agent. If I were to go have a look at this, I don't have any extraction results yet. Next, I'm going to use the prompt that we just saw. So we can drag and drop this here. And I'm going to tell Cursor, here's some instructions on how to create a Streamlit app. Do it and output the result into invoice. So I'm going to run that and let Cursor do its thing. All right, we have a brand new application. I'm going to accept that file and let's just go ahead and try to run this Streamlit app as it is. Streamlit run invoiceapp.py. All right, this time it's done something pretty similar, but still we can see some differences. This time it's called Invoice Processing Hub, and let's give it a go. So again, we see our extraction agent doesn't yet have any results. We're going to try see if we can use our extraction agent with an invoice that I have here. So for example, let's try this invoice example.png. Hopefully PNG was supported by our application. And if we were to switch back, yeah, we should be able to see an extraction in progress. And here we have it. It's also created some pretty nice sort of UI elements for the client information, etc. Actually, it's pretty good. I'm very happy about this one. And we can try another one. Let's have a look and try a PDF in this case. This is an actual invoice for myself. And if we were to switch back here again, we should be able to see another one in progress. And there we have it. So this is how you can quickly create very easy UIs with both Cursor and a pretty cleverly constructed prompt making use of your extraction agent and all of the schema fields that you've predefined. And Cursor is a great way to speed up that process. I hope you enjoyed this.